Lección 13, vamos por Cuenta, historias de una foto 2 de 6.
If you do something silently, you do it without making noise.
Quickly.
That creepy green owl was silently
¿Qué?
following them.
Ya. 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 The creepy green owl was silently following them. Ese creepy green wolf, ese espeluznante gordo lo seguía silenciosamente.
When you're in total darkness, you can't see anything because there's no light.
Oscuridad.
Someone was silently watching them in the darkness.
Someone was silently
Someone was silently watching them in the darkness.
watching
Someone was silently watching them in the darkness.
the darkness.
Suddenly, we saw a light in the darkness.
Suddenly we saw a light in the darkness.
If you're really looking forward to going to bed, you might say, I'm dying to go to bed.
I can't wait to.
I'm dying to hear what happened after that.
Me muero por escuchar que me muero por escuchar lo que sucedió. Es after that.
I'm dying to know how the story ends.
I'm dying to
know
how the story ends.
In legends, a werewolf is a human who becomes a wolf when there's a full moon.
Hombre lobo. At first we thought the werewolf was an ordinary animal, but then we realized it was actually a monster.
Hidden in the darkness, there was a terrible creature with huge teeth.
I was a werewolf, wasn't it?
It was slowly getting dark.
Caminábamos lentamente. Eso fue lentamente oscureciendo. Oscureció lentamente. Estaba tratando de escapar desesperadamente. He was trying to escape
desperately.
The
noise
noise
was getting gradually.
gradually
The noise was gradually getting closer. It
was getting slowly.
Getting dark slowly.
Slowly.
El ruido se acercaba poco a poco.
The
noise
was
getting
gradually closer. The noise was gradually closer.